Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is be a subscriber to this channel, hit the like button, and type the code word that will pop up somewhere in this video. And once I reach 7,000 subscribers, I will randomly pick the comment with the code word, and that person will win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, hit that subscribe button. Now let's get into this video. This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $5.93 every 30 seconds to watch ads. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like, it really helps out my channel. And it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions. Any questions at all about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end because a code word is going to pop up somewhere in this video. And when you see that code word, just type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 7,000 subscribers. So please watch this video all the way to the very end because it can pop up anywhere at any time. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to this site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it, family. Okay, guys. I'm at this website, and the name of the website is TimeBucks. Now, I have talked about this website a while ago, but since I got new audience, I want to go ahead and talk about it again because it's a very reputable site, and you should be checking this site out and making this money from this site. Now, it says here, get paid to post on Facebook, view funny slideshows, play games, install apps, complete micro tasks, and answer surveys. These are all different type of ways to make money on this site, guys. Now, it's free to sign up. You can also sign up through Facebook. And here's some more information about this site. So, daily bonuses. Each day we run a competition where the top 100 earners win a nice bonus. Wow, that's something good right there, guys. And start earning instantly, so no approval process required for new signups. You can just sign up in 5 seconds and start earning instantly. They also have a referral program. So we have a referral program, so you will earn commission on everyone you refer and any advertising deposits they make. Guys, see, here's another way you can make money on this site. Weekly payouts. We pay everyone weekly with 6 different payment methods. So guys, you don't have to wait weeks and months. You're going to get paid weekly on this site. And they have a friendly support staff if you have any questions or any concerns. Now, what I'm going to do, guys, is log into my account. I have an account here and just show you how it looks inside this website. So let me go ahead and log in right now. Okay, guys, I'm inside the website. And as you can see here, here's the dashboard that I'm on right now. You got the earnings, earn, advertisement, ladder, payments, settings, chat, support. So here's your referral link. So when you get this referral link, what you want to do is go ahead and post it on all social media networks. And when people click on that link and sign up at this website and start making money, you're going to start making money. Now, here's some recent tasks right here that people have done and earned money. So this person, they've done some surveys, they earned some money. I know it's a low amount, but they earning money, guys. And look, this is like 6 minutes ago. So people are earning money every minute on here. Let's just go to the earn section. So on the earn section, they have easy offers, content, tasks, referral, offer walls, AliExpress, sweepstakes, and premium. So right here are the surveys. So you just got to click right here to start. And as you can see here, as far as the rate, they varies, but you got some of them that are just fixed rates. I know it's under $1, but the surveys doesn't take that long to complete. So I'm gonna go through this quickly. I don't want to make this video too long, so I'm going to easy offers. So these are the easy offers, and as you can see here, the rates are much higher. So you get $18 right here, $25 right here. This right here is just free sign up $10. Check out this one, free sign up $25. So guys, if I was you guys, I would go ahead and start on easy offers if you want to get a higher amount paid out to you when you get ready to cash out. Now I just want to go, I'm not going to go through all this, so let me go to the payments. So if you got paid, it would say payments received right here. Okay guys, I'm at the payment method. So you can get paid through, you can use the payment platform of AirTM, Tango Card, Bank Transfer, Payoneer, Litecoin, Bitcoin, and of course PayPal. Now if you don't have any of these platforms, it's easy to go to their website and sign up. So that's all I'm going to show you right now. So go ahead and check this site out, guys. Timebooks.com. Sign up and start making this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this website. And please share this all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. You know why? Because I make videos like this every other day. Okay guys, before I go, I want to go ahead and do a shout out. So what I do is just flash the comment on the screen. So today's shout out goes to this person right here. Thank you for your comment. Hope you're a subscriber. And please keep watching all my videos and keep sharing and help me get to 7,000 subscribers. All right, guys. Thank you for everything. Really appreciate you guys' support. Keep supporting me and I'll keep dropping these videos. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on because the grind is real. Go check out some of my other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.